main objective of supply chain planning is to balance supply and demand, optimize the delivery of goods to end users, and maximize profit. There are two ways to classify supply chain process, which are push and pull system. Push system is performed in anticipation of an order, based on a forecast. Pull is performed in response to an order, in which demand is known with certainty. Here, our process is indicated by the flow of goods and the time period. As for push system, the first step is demand forecast, where estimations about future customer demand are made. Data from demand forecast are inputs for sales and operation planning, S&OP in short, which is also affected by business plans, financial and capacity constraints. In S&OP, a sales plan designs strategies to achieve sales targets. Production plan sets out information about all the stages of manufacturing. Before purchasing, we use materials requirements planning to determine exactly how much raw materials needed. The next two plans are inventory plan, which manage both material stock and finished products, and distribution plan, which manage transportation and distribution network. In pull system, we applied a similar process but excludes demand forecast. FMCG are frequently consumed and bought on a regular basis. For example, a typical Vietnamese buys instant noodles 18 times per year. In addition, due to FMCG's low product differentiation and foreign competitors, the customers are in a powerful position. Currently, in terms of instant noodle, there are over 200 SKUs in modern trade and general trade channel. Thus, if a product is not available, this customer may easily switch to others. Therefore, when making production plan, planners should be prepared to meet orders from such high demand, and purchasers should maintain long-term relationship with strategic suppliers. Besides, as for distribution network planning, FMCG companies should have clear information flow to ensure permanent on-shelf product availability. The purchase decision process for FMCGs tends to be quicker and thus harder to react in short periods. Therefore, FMCG firms need to respond to demand in real time by using IT to capture data on demand directly from the point of sale, which is feasible thanks to cloud technology. Moreover, they need to improve forecasting accuracy for short periods via the collaboration of supply chain partners with each other. FMCGs are usually sold in large volume and bring low profit margin. This demands FMCG firms to reduce unit costs by minimizing production, inventory, and logistic costs. In details, they need to enhance demand forecasting accuracy by using artificial IT, advanced models, and optimize their flow of goods considering locations and distances between plants, distribution centers, and stores. FMCGs have a shorter shelf life compared to durable goods like kitchen appliances, which are replaced after several years. For instance, the average expiry date for pasteurized milk is usually 15 to 30 days after production. Thus, forecasts must be highly accurate to reduce the possible number of obsolete products, ensuring that there are just enough products in planning to meet customer demand. However, despite possibly low demand, certain FMCGs must be available at stores for marketing purposes, requiring collaboration with marketing teams. The increasing volume of online orders in 2017, global e-retail sales accounted for 10.2% of global sales. Distribution centers must pay more attention to handle small and mid-sized orders from new online retailers instead of only delivering large pallets of products to stores. Therefore, in planning process, FMCG firms must be aware of the pressure from online retailers' policies such as Tiki Now to fulfill customer service level in online shopping. Now we analyze Vinamilk and Nestlé best practice in dealing with challenges in SC planning, which related to forecasting, sourcing, distribution, and sales plan. There are two challenges in material requirements planning: reduce dependence on high-priced imported raw material and minimize the risk of unavailability of raw material supply. To deal with these problems, they help develop domestic family-run cow farms by transfer technical training and provide supporting systems. They plan to become completely self-controlled in managing input sources by building their own 5 dairy farms. They also develop large-scale input sources by actively working with cargo companies to invest in modern facilities and technologies. To ensure high on-shelf availability and reduce costs, Vinamilk has applied advanced IT to the distribution operation like Oracle e-Business Suite System, ERP, and CRM. Also, Vinamilk and Viettel, an IT solution provider, deployed sales management system. Staffs of retailers are equipped with tablet computers connected with internet, so the firm's managers can supervise the wholesale process and be kept updated of changes, including inventory volumes, depth, customer preferences to map out production strategies more effectively. As for Nestle, we analyze their actions in forecasting demand. Nestle manage operations on global scale with many factors like product categories, sales regions. They need to ensure right amounts to customers' hand and lower inventory costs. With these challenges, Nestle established stronger collaboration with customers, build forecasting at most detailed level, use up-to-date forecasting method (SAS), sense what demand signals affect consumers' purchase rather than drain, minimize subjective human judgment, allowing demand shaping and measure the effect of advertising and price. 1% improvement in forecast accuracy equals a 2% reduction in inventory safety stock. In fact, they reduce about 20% of their safety stock.